gotta do this first.
Typical male.
Gotta do this first. That's right. Gotta take care of business first.
Hey, Logan, go dance with your sister.
No, I gotta do
Please, Mommy wants to take a picture. Where'd you go?
Where?
Over there.
Oh, here she comes. She had to go in a circle. Logan, go dance with sister, please. Go get Sissy. Dance with Sissy.
Ow. Ow.
Yay!